Thirikari ikoretwo ikihinyiriria andu ethĩ bata wa kuhimbiria kothi cia moko guku bururi-ini. Munini wa President Kindiki augite thirikari ikoretwo ikigacĩrithia thukuru ciothe iria cithomithagia kothi ici na njira ya gucigathika macini cia kiriu cia arutwo guthoma.
I have already enumerated you what we are doing as government to make sure your education is comfortable and it is relevant. To make sure that when you live here through the Nyota program, your business can be supported through the kazi kwa ground, kazi mtandao.
Kindiki oroho ni ahithuritie ati kuri na itanya ria gwaka thukuru ingi cia TVET 70 guku bururi-ini, amwe no yo njira ya kuhe andu ethĩ mwihoko.
So there is hope for you, and it will be very unfortunate for any adult, any person who have had their time in this country, whether you are a farmer, you are a teacher, you are a police officer, you are a politician, whoever you are. We have a duty, the older people, to hold the hand of younger people, give them hope and create opportunities for them.
Mwena-ini wake Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathomo ma kothi cia moko makiuria andu ethĩ kuiyukia mieke ĩno na kuingira thukuru-ini ici. Maritie thukuru-ini wa Micuki kuri arutwo matanyihiire 2,000 mahumbĩtwo thũmbĩ na angĩ 300 ma kothi iria cioyaga ihinda inini.
Si serikali imefanya kazi mzuri. We are delighted to witness that we have now a polytechnic, national polytechnic within Murang'a County. I want to congratulate the graduates because you are in a very enviable position today. For some reason, the job market prefers to give students from technical institute jobs more than graduates. I do not know why. So today you are in a very privileged position because your job is waiting for you.
Atongoria kiuteti aria megwikinyitie matongoretio ni mubunge wa Kangema Peter Kihungi onao magitara andu ethĩ bata wa mathomo maya.
G3, and I want to thank the G3 members and the leaders because of what you have done by giving us 7 acres for expansion of this institution. And these are the elders, and we are so grateful, we are so happy because now we have a chance of expansion.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma thukuru-ini wa Micuki Kangema kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.